Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Sorry, the video is going to be shaky. I'm just holding my phone. I had to make this quick video for you guys. I had some people reach out and tell me there are some others trying to do scams in the comment section of my videos. All right, guys, so stay alert. I'm actually going to show you what that looks like right here, one of those scams, okay? They're stealing my YouTube logo. They're making it their cover photo, so if you don't pay attention, it kind of looks like you're talking to me or I'm saying, hey, you've won. That's not the case, all right? It is a total scam, all right? Sometimes they'll have my YouTube name spelt wrong or a totally different name next to my logo. Pay attention, all right? These guys are trying to get your information. They want to steal your money. It's that time of year where scams are pushed really, really hard, right? Why? Because they probably don't have a job and they want to make money off your back, which is a huge bummer, but it is what it is. It's a world we live in. Be careful, okay? This can happen to anybody, you know, so don't follow those things. As far as giveaways go and all that kind of stuff that I do, guys, I give you guys clear direction as to how we're going to do a giveaway, how it's going to take place, the steps, and how everything is going to unfold. That way there we can kind of steer clear from someone else sort of popping in there and getting your information or saying, you know, you've won when you really haven't. Let me put this phone down. So basically what I'm just saying is be alert, pay attention. Like I said, that example is going to be like right up here, or it was up here. You know, I really do appreciate those of you that reached out and said, hey man, this looks like a scam. I just want to let you know. A few people were like, is this you? I'm not really sure. It's not, okay? So just pay attention to that. Be careful of that. Like I said, there's a lot of scamming going around this time of year. I've gotten text messages from people I don't even think and know trying to get me to give them my information, emails as well. Just be careful, all right, guys? So I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I'm planning to have another snowblower review video for that Power Smart snowblower I've been doing, using. We did a first take video on it, and, you know, I was kind of like, I'm not sure. But I just used it on about 40 jobs. We had a snowstorm blow through, and I used that roughly 40 times to do cleanup at some different residential places. And I was really surprised. So, you know, you guys might want to check that out. I think that video, I'm hoping to have that available Friday or Saturday. I don't know, because Saturday is Christmas Eve, so we'll see. But if I don't see you guys, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Check out some videos popping up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.